Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. I am back again with another video. Today's a very rainy, cozy kind of day. I'm staying home, so I have some time and I thought I should record something for you guys. It's not gonna be a very long video, it's gonna be a very short video. Just received something a few days back. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm gonna share and show you guys something I really love. So any guesses what it's gonna be? I'm not gonna keep you waiting, I'm just gonna show you right now. Definitely some clothing. So I got this suit by Alo. For these kind of sets, sweatsuits, they had so many different colors. It was so hard to pick because all of them were so nice. I ended up getting the navy blue one and my size is a small. It was so confusing for me because all of the colors they have are so nice. I just want to have all of them. I just wanted to try out something dark because I already own everything which is like light, white, brown. I was really also falling for the brown one, but I realized I have so many brown outfits in my closet, so I ended up getting something different. So this blue is it's like a perfect dark blue you can have. So I got two sets, one for me and one for my husband, so we can match. It's a really cute set. I'm gonna show you how it looks when you try them on. All right, so this is how they look. The best part is it's so comfy. It's not like any other fleece. It's a very smooth texture, very thick. Perfect if you are not trying to wear any sweater or cardigan. It's very warm and the fit is great. It has some pockets in it. Is a closer look. The color is so nice. I've been looking for such a nice perfect blue for a long time, and this one is just the one I was looking for. I'm wearing a size small, and ever since I got this, I've been wearing it like every single day, both of us, and nothing is more comfortable than this, honestly. Put them in the washing machine once, and I know like many people have been complaining that once they wash them, there's like a peeling or they get different kind of complaints regarding the fabric, but for me, I don't see anything. I don't see any difference after washing. It's just the same. And I put them in dryer too, and no damage is observed here. So I don't know, I have to see once I wash them multiple times, then I can give another update on how it's doing. Yep, this is my favorite set right now. Just the best one for the current weather. It's like +10, some days it's like -3. So with these, I don't really have to worry about being cold outside. After trying it on, I ordered 2 different colors, this one and this one, waiting for them to arrive. Till then, I'm in love with this one. yeah, so it's a great set for anything basically. I'll show you guys the bag that I can carry with this. It was I think I showed you this one in a different video before. This huge tote bag, which I can now carry with this one. Really cute. What do you guys think of the fit? Okay, so that was today. Only if you love Alo and been ordering for them in a row, let me know, because I think I have so many orders coming in. Time I ordered online, just not thinking of anything else, and definitely made a good choice. So yeah, I would recommend buying this kind of sets from Alo, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.